This scenario starts with our subject, Louis Pasteur, picking up his vaccination credential. Goes to US Public Health, he's ready to go, and he needs to authenticate his wallet to link it to the US Public Health site. He uses his Louis Pasteur ID, is ready to go. So now he can issue that credential and collect it into his wallet. This is a selective disclosure credential using a BBS Plus signature, which we'll see will come into play later. That's it. He now has the vaccination credential. Now needs his permanent resident card, and he's going to log into the USCIS site to do that. In this case, he's been here before, so he's logged in with SSO. And he needs to present his vaccination credential in order to get his digital permanent resident card. So he's able to do that from his TrustBloc wallet. Vaccination credential verified successfully. Now he needs to authenticate his wallet to the USCIS site, enter a verification code to make sure he's entitled to receive his digital PRC card. And now this will be stored in his wallet as well. So we're all set. It's time to fly. Louis decides to go on a little vacation, and he's gone through and completed his reservation. And this particular small airline is taking advantage of the fact that there are digital wallets out there and issuing a digital booking reference so that they don't have to manage their own airline. He's linking his wallet and collecting this booking reference. That's it. He's all set to go. Time passes and it's time to check in. There are two options for tailored charter flights. You can do a digital check-in, in which case you'll need a compatible wallet, your booking credential, a real TSA Real ID, vaccination proof. There is a manual option, but because it has to check some back-end databases, they're going to charge you $25 for that. Better to go the digital route. Louis going to check his wallet to make sure he has all of his credentials in order. And there they are. On with check-in. This is a final information check. Do you have your booking reference? Do you have a TSA Real ID for which the US Permanent Resident Card qualifies? And do you have a vaccination proof from a qualified issuer? They don't need the whole vaccination proof. They only need to know that you have had vaccination. There are two options. You can proceed in the browser, or if you have a mobile wallet, you could scan a QR code to use your mobile app. We know we have a browser wallet, so we'll proceed with this. Here's the wallet review screen. Booking reference will be passed over, the permanent resident card will be passed over, and the COVID credential will be passed over, but only these fields, the issuing country and the name. That's the limited disclosure capability of that BBS Plus credential. All of these have been now verified, and he can now go on to get his boarding pass. Thank you very much to the companies who helped out with getting this demo together.